Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken adobo. It is one of my favorite dish and it is one of the Filipino pride and has also become a favorite of many people around the world. Very easy to cook and so delicious. Let's get started. First, here are the ingredients that we will be needed for our delicious chicken adobo. Chicken legs, ginger chop, potato chop, onion chop, garlic mice, bay leaf, oil, soy sauce, vinegar, pepper. Brown sugar is optional. Let's heat the casserole. And when it's hot, I'll just add oil. When the oil is hot, add garlic. We need to saute the garlic until it turns brown. We have roasted garlic flavor. That's what makes it more delicious. And when you smell the aroma of garlic, that's the chance to put the onion. Add ginger. After 10 seconds, put the chicken. Cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it well. Add potato. Cover for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, mix it well. After 3 minutes, mix it well. Seasoning with bay leaf, pepper. You can also add brown sugar if you want. Mix it well. After 2 minutes, add soy sauce. Add vinegar. mix, but cover it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you can smell the aroma of our chicken adobo. And ready to serve. Now is judgment moment. Are you ready to see my delicious cook